Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found your Figma designs getting a little cluttered with guides and lines, or you simply want a clearer view while you're working, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you exactly how to hide those layout guides in Figma so you can keep your workspace as clean and distraction-free as you want. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know not only how to hide your guides at a moment's notice, but also how and when to bring them back or get rid of them altogether, depending on your workflow. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure you're in your design file in Figma. You might already see some blue or purple lines overlaying your canvas. These are your layout guides, and they're incredibly helpful for things like aligning icons, buttons, or text blocks evenly. But sometimes they're just in the way, especially when you're trying to present your design to someone, or you want to get a totally fresh look at what you've created. To get these guides out of your way temporarily, head over to the right-hand side of your Figma workspace. There you'll see the Design Settings panel. If it's minimized, go ahead and expand it. Look for the Layout Guide section. Sometimes it just says Layout Grid or Guides depending on the version of Figma you have. This is where all your alignment magic happens. Now next to your guide or grid settings, you'll notice a little eye icon. This works just like turning a layer on or off in photo editing software. When you click the eye button, you're essentially telling Figma, hey, let me see my work without any of these guides for now. You'll see the guides instantly disappear from your canvas, leaving only your actual design in full clarity. This can be incredibly useful when you just want to check the aesthetics of your work, see how it flows, or even take a clean screenshot without any extra lines in the way. Don't worry, you're not deleting anything by doing this. It's just like temporarily hiding a reminder sticky note on your monitor. Your guides are still there, tucked safely away in the background. If you want them back so you can keep adjusting your spacing or alignment, just click the eye button again and voila, they'll pop right back up. Now let's say you've decided you don't need a particular guide anymore. Maybe you've finalized your page structure, or you accidentally created an extra guide that's just not useful. In that case, you can actually remove the guide entirely. Right next to that eye icon, there's usually a minus or negative button. Click on that and Figma will permanently delete that specific guide or layout grid from your project. A quick heads up here, while hiding guides can always be undone, removing them with the negative button is a bit more final. So if you ever second guess yourself, take a moment before hitting delete just to be sure. And that's really all there is to it. Hiding or removing guides in Figma is super simple, but it can make a big difference in how you interact with your design, especially when you're presenting your work or polishing those final details. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Figma trick you'd like to learn next. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more tutorials designed to make your design workflow easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.